will show them the path they should choose. They will live in prosperity. And their
Bheka abathandazanga, fear,
Sa-
prosperity,
Phumelela.
because you fear God.
Ngokusaba uNkulunkulu.
Because they will live bayophila empumelelweni abayophumelela baphila. It means everywhere they go. Impilo yabo uphumelela. Impilo yabo uphumelela. They are not you're not going to baba ngifuna ukuphumelela. The moment you fear, uphula empumelelweni. You live in prosperity because you fear God.
Ngokusaba uNkulunkulu.
Hey, bantu babhizi bayathandaza ngifuna umsebenzi uphila happy. Usaba bani? Ufuna umsebenzi ngoba usaba abamakhelwane bayasebenza. Ufuna umsebenzi ngoba ufuna uNkulunkulu. Hayi ngoba abamakhelwane you are intimidated. Mele bakusaba ungana next, unga drive lutho bakusabe. Because of the God that lives in you.
Ngalo uNkulunkulu ophila phakathi.
Even when they hear you speaking,
Noma
but lo muntu
bakukhuluma.
akakhulumi njengathi lo. Akahambi njengathi, akaphili njengathi, mara akana next mus. But babona hey baphethe yonke into bakusabi bathi kanti wena uphila njani. Umuntu orich akhalile wena. Kanti uphila njani ngoba ngathi awuna stress. Uyalala wena nyakubona mawuvuka usifethi la ebusweni. You look fresh. Hey. Have you ever seen you waking up? When you see people bana yonke into bona babheka bonke nabaphuma lapha. Abantwana bakhona bonke baka lobuso bungaka nabantu benzakalani. Musi is it not morning bese ngalala ubuso budek buka. Mama, ayabona elalanga lento le. Hayi kalali le. Madimoni amvakashela ubusuku bonke. And you begin to look at their lives
Siyaqala ubheka impilo
and you are
zabo.
intimidated by them.
Bese uthuswa yibo.
The peace in you
Ukuthula phakathi kwabo.
is quality.
Kungqo.
The peace in you,
Nokuthula phakathi
the
kwabo.
fear of God is what you must value more than material things.
Ufanele ukuthanda ukudlula izinto eziphathekayo.
It says a loyal person and a kind person
Umuntu othembekile
is
nomuntu
better than a
onesipho.
rich person.
Ungcono kunomuntu ocebile.
Oh, nami niyathuselwa. Gcina wenza into wrong ngoba hayi ngisawuthini. Umalume unemali, uvuma into ebhedayo. Hayi singene la senza umsebenzi. Hayi ngiyazi nasingayenza lo msebenzi uzokunika 1000 ngiphuma la. Ngoba umalume manceda ukuphahla uzokunika 1000 uyavuma. Now you are miserable.
So uhlangahlangene.
Now you are miserable.
Uhlangahlangene.
Let's go.
they will live in prosperity, and their children will inherit the land.
Ush, their children will inherit the land
Abantwana
because
babo
they
bazosala.
fear God.
Ngoba basaba
You're not
uNkulunkulu.
going to pray for your children.
Angeke uze
Your
ukhuleke
fear for
abantwana
God.
bakho. Ukusaba kwakho
Now the
uNkulunkulu.
angel says to Abraham, Abraham,
Ngiyele sithi
your
ku-Abraham,
descendants shall be many.
inzalo
Your
yakho
children
izoba
shall live in
Abantwana bakho
prosperity
bazophila
because you
empumelelweni.
fear God.
Ngoba usaba uNkulunkulu.
If you don't fear God,
Ngoba
it means you are passing on evil visitations from
Kusho ukuthi
Satan.
udlulisela ukuvakashela okubi kusuka kuSathane.
Ebantwaneni bakho. Uze umuntu uhlelele ku mention uzona sesangoma singenile ku mention house. Yoy, kudu. La isababa. Hayi njani manje? Yoy, kudu. Yo, makhosi yo. Esababa. Then you begin to nezinye izinto money cannot protect you from them.
Imali angeke
It means
isivikele.
spirits don't value money.
Uthi imimoya yona ibheka imali.
Spirit, they value
Imimoya ibheka
your fear for God.
ukusaba kwakho kaNkulunkulu.
And you are mad. Hayi man, njani manje izangoma la. What happened? Amadimoni azange abheke indlu, azange abheke ukuthi ubaba imanager, azange abheke your fear for God makes us to visit you.
Ukusaba kwakho uNkulunkulu kwenza ukuthi
You are not fearing him,
awumsabi.
so we are going to visit.
Ngoba siyokuvakashela.
Sizivakashi la. It says your children will inherit
Ithi abantwana bakho.
the land. Abayosebenza kanzima, abayoshuluka. If I inherit the land,
Uma ngabe ngizuza umhlaba,
ngithatha yonke into ikhona. Living in prosperity,
ngiphile empumelelweni.
inheriting the land.
Ngizuza umhlaba.
Awuyoshuluka kusisiqalekiso. Adam uzawushuluka wena uzasebenza inhlabathi. It was after he became afraid.
Remember ukuthi asaba.
because he lost the fear of God.
Ngoba ulahlekelwe ukusaba uNkulunkulu.
Now, yonke into kumele ijulukele. Let's go.
Verse 14. The Lord is a friend to those who fear him.
Oh, Nkosi yami. He's a what? Now, God called Abraham what? My friend.
Ubizwa Abraham ngomngane
Not
wakhe.
because he was a prayer warrior, because he
Hayi ngoba
feared him.
bekakhuleka kodwa nethi ngoba
My
bekasaba.
friend, because you fear.
Mngani
My
wami
friend,
ngoba
because you
uyasaba.
fear me.
Mngani wami ngoba uyangisaba.
You are my friend.
Ngumngane wami.
Let's go. Repeat.
The Lord is a friend to those who fear him.
Uh-huh.
He teaches them his covenant.
Osh. Osh. He teaches them his covenant.
Ubafundisa isivumelwano sakhe.
Uh-huh.
Verse 15. My eyes are always on the Lord, for he rescues me from the traps of my enemies.
Oh, Nkosi yami. So what enemy can touch a person who fears God?
Isiphi isitho esingathinta umuntu osaba
They
uNkulunkulu.
will always be afraid of you.
Bayohlezi basaba
Everywhere
wena.
you step.
Konke la unyathela khona.
There will be no team meeting that will summon you.
Angeke uze kube nenhlangano
You will
izokubiza.
reject evil invitations.
Uzowala izimemo zobubi.
Angisumuntu we tea time mina ngiyabonga. I fear God.
Ngisaba uNkulunkulu.
I fear God.
Ngisaba uNkulunkulu.
Ngiyabonga. Angikwazi. Lento nikhulumayo, I'm not part of it. I fear God.
Angisingcinge yayo ngisaba uNkulunkulu.
I've recognized the fear of God
Ngibonile ukusaba uNkulunkulu.
in that person,
Phakathi kwalo
in that
muntu.
brother,
Phakathi kwalo
in
ya-
that sister.
phakathi kwalo yasisi.
Because ngumbonile alahla izono zakhe. Shuthi uyamsaba uNkulunkulu, angifuni ukukhuluma ngaye. Uyakhuluma awucheckanga ukuthi lo muntu ulahleni ukuthi azoba la khona kuNkulunkulu namuhla. Azange elahle, ulahle ngoba usaba uNkulunkulu. Wena ulahleni. Sathwele, usahamba nazo. Usahamba nazo, ziyakulandela. Ushiso le serious lo muntu wasindiswa. Wena umthinta lula nje. Yabona ukuthi if we can get this as abazalwane, sizorespectana,
Sizohloniphana.
sizoprotectana.
Sizovikelana.
Sizowazi ukuthi size la kuzowakha umbuso kaNkulunkulu. Ngeke uye phuzitiya ngabantu ungumzalwane. But sekunjani lapha esontweni uthi ngikutshele wena, the moment uthi ngikutshele wena, a demon enters you.
Demon liyangena.
You are no longer the same person but uye na uzophuzitiya. Now phuma, there's a spirit.
No more.
Now there's a spirit. You are no longer yourself.
Awusasinguwe.
There's a spirit that has entered you.
Kunomoya ongenile.
And you might find yourself uqashwa baloyi anawe. Thola usebenzela umbuso kaSathane ungaboni, kanti soyasebenza. Take the very verse 12 so that we can finish. They will inherit, if you want to inherit the land,
Mangabe ufuna ukuzuza umhlaba.
value the fear of God.
Bona ukusaba kwaNkulunkulu kuthande.
Ilimi lakho ulisabise. Ukukhuluma izinto ezifile, ezirong. Should before ukhuluma ngalo muntu umhlolo, lo muntu lo bekayenza sona. Manje bekelile. Bekayenza sona. Manje bekelile. Mara mina ngiyokhuluma njani ngento eso mara Uyabona uyaqala uyazikhuza mara ngiyokhuluma njani ngento eso or ngomuntu oso. Ingelosi yeza kuAbraham yathi senyabona ukuthi uyamsaba uNkulunkulu. Wena usaba uNkulunkulu. Numbers 12 uthi uNkulunkulu kuMiriam noAaron uthi azange nisabe yini. uNkulunkulu uzabona uthi azange nisabe yini. Ukukhuluma ngenqeke yami uMoses. Yabona manje uNkulunkulu uyababuza uthi azange nisabe yini. Were you not afraid?
Ngabe beningasabi na?
Ukhuluma ngaye so. Uthi anikhulumanga kahle ngaye. Ngoba mina uNkulunkulu angikhulumi so ngaye. Be careful what you say about a person
Ngomuntu
whom angels are saying.
le ingelo
We have seen that you fear
Bonile
God.
ukuthi uyamsaba.
Your decisions show us that you fear God.
Yasikhombisa ukuthi uyamsaba.
Into ozilahlile for uNkulunkulu ziyasikhomba ukuthi uyamsaba uNkulunkulu.